Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a file name extension not showing in Windows 11 as well as Windows 10. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in the search box type of file options. So open up File Explorer options. After doing this step, click on a view options, scroll down, and now you can see data hide extension for unknown file types is a checked. So uncheck it, click on apply and OK button. After doing this step, you can check. Now you can see data the file extension is shows. If you are once again hide it in the search box, open it, click on view, click on hide it, click on apply and a OK button. Now you can see that. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.